Hey guys, we got this 2010 Corolla today, and I'm going to be showing you how to install these 9005 high beam bulbs. So first things first, check out the link in the description, code TECH28 for 10% off. Don't forget to subscribe. We've also going to show you here high beams on the inside, low beams on the outside. So we've got another video for the low beam bulbs. Check them out if you want to do those. But yeah, these bulbs from Oxito, pretty nice. We've used them a lot. So far, really good company. And these ones actually come with cooling fans, so that's nice. First thing you're gonna do, just reach down in there, right beside the battery, find the light bulb, and then we're gonna turn this light socket counterclockwise and pull the light bulb out. Now there's luckily some harness that they've given you to get that out. This little tab right here, you just push down on that and pull the light bulb out. Very simple. Take your new LED light bulb, put that in. You hear it click into place. Then we're just going to carefully fish this back down to the hole and stick it in there. And we're going to line our 3 tabs up. And once the bulb is in there flush, we can turn it clockwise in order to secure that into the housing. So here's the 3 tabs that I was talking about, located here, here, and here. When you're in the back of the light, taking it out, you're going to turn it this way. It's going to come out. You're going to put the new one in. Same thing. It's got to go in like in this orientation, and then when you lock it into place, this is going to be now vertical. So let's turn these on, see what they look like. Check those out, they look pretty good. Damn. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, subscribe and use code TECH28 for 10% off. Like the video, comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.